Check out this Black+Decker portable washing machine. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So let's look at this washer. It works so well. We have the hose there against the back, which we would then connect to a faucet to get it running. Now, all of the buttons on the front of it they have indicator lights that will light up which one you are choosing. We have procedure, delay, load size, temperature, program, and extra rinse. And then here is the start and pause button. Now, if we close the lid, we can see that it closes very slowly. It doesn't ever shut loudly. And while it's running, we can look inside and see how our wash is coming along. Now, this is a 3-foot tall portable washer. It's also 23 inches wide and 21 inches deep. And right now we have it on a dolly that has some wheels on it, so we can roll it around if need be. But this just works so well, and if anyone needs a washer, I highly recommend grabbing this portable one here. It just helps if you have any clothes you need to wash, you just throw them in and set it up with the hose and you're all set to go. So I hope you enjoyed this review and I'll see you next time.